Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello friends, good morning. Once again we are back to our pavilion, and that is our topic in Organization of Commerce, Chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management. And in this chapter, in the previous lectures, we studied what is top level management, its function, what is middle level management, its function, and today we are discussing what is the bottom level management as well as its different function. So see here, my dear friends, bottom level management, and in this management who are included? So here included supervisors, jobbers and foremen are included in this bottom level of management. Then in 1 mark in section B, they are asking you, okay, what is the another name of bottom level management? So here there are 3 different names of bottom level management. The first name is, it is supervisors level of management. It is, second name is, it is functional level of management, and third, it is operational level of management. So there are 3 different names of bottom level management. It is supervisors level, it is functional level, and it is operational level. So this question will come in 1 mark. Now what are the functions, my dear friends, of bottom level management? So first function is there to supervise the functions of employees. कि भाई bottom level पे जो आपके employees हैं, whether they are doing the work as per the rules and regulations or not, वो देखने का काम किसका है? Bottom level management का. Then after, bottom level management has to observe and maintain discipline among the employees, and they energize or enthuse the employees, and for that the word is used over here, okay, their moral is boosted. The workers should not be demoralized, but they should be enthused, they should be boosted, and discipline should maintain among the employees. That observation is done by bottom level of management. Then at some stages, some of the workers, by doing the 10 years of job or by doing the extraordinary performances, on the basis of their performances, they have given transfer, they have given promotion, or they are given training. So these 3 activities are also performed by bottom level of management: transfer, promotion and training. Then after, when worker comes in the company, start their work in the morning. So first, the whole day planning of their routine work is also given by bottom level of management. So to plan the routine work, daily जो work है, उसका planning भी कौन provide करता है? Bottom level of management. Then after, bottom level management gives instructions, orders and programs have been done as per the instructions and order. The instructions or orders to the workers are also given by bottom level of management. These all are your 5 functions. Then moving on to the next function, number 6. Okay, to perform, bottom level management is perform the functions like layout means arrangement करना, कोई भी चीज arrange करना, that is called layout. Repairing of machinery and all this thing is also performed by bottom level management. Then 7 point is there, get to maintain and to receive different equipment मतलब instruments of machinery and all this thing. Then raw material for the workers and all this thing also arranged by the bottom level management. Then 8 number point, to solve the genuine problems of workers. Genuine problems, हाँ भाई, कोई ऐसे फालतू प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इसका मेरे से झगड़ा हुआ, इसने मेरे को चाय नहीं दी, कॉफी नहीं दी, not that like of issues, not like small issues, but yes, genuine problem. If someone's wife has some problem, they have some fever or any other problem, family issues, or any other problem like accidents in the family or anything else they have, so that will be solved by the bottom level management. So family issues se zyada they are taking care of the company issues. Any genuine issues are there, then also it will be solved. Then to implement decisions, जो भी decisions है उसको implement करना यानी apply करना, and then policies decided by top level. यानी जो भी new policies and new decisions taken by top level, that will be implemented by bottom level of management. And then to observe activity of bottom level, to give suggestions or any complaints of employees to the middle level. Bottom level क्या करेगा बेटा? To observe the different activities. After observing, they are giving the suggestion. If any defect is there, they are giving suggestion. And even though the worker does not improve their work, then they will do the complaint of employees to the middle level, or वही complaint middle level will forward to the top level of management. So my dear students, now listen carefully कि after this topic in your textbook, one difference between is there. Difference between top, middle and bottom level. This you have to read at your home, because जो भी मैंने तीनों लेवल में explain किया, the same thing is there in this difference between. Difference between top, middle and bottom level. This difference between also come in 3 marks in section D. बराबर? In your board examination. So that difference between you also have to write in your homework. From the same textbook you have to do the copy paste. And this bottom level management, its meaning, what are its another name, who are included, and all 10 functions. That is also you have to write in your homework, in your notebook, and send it to proper WhatsApp number. So I hope my dear student you understood this topic very